You see, the most daft and uneducated set of bloggers I've seen on this social media are Enugu adoration bloggers. I have to call their names this time so that they know that they are the ones I'm talking to. I mean, the most daft, useless, and empty brain set of bloggers, people that don't reason with their common sense, I've seen so far on social media, are all those ones forming adoration bloggers, creating unnecessary issue that can't even reason with their common sense. I mean, I was expecting you guys to do better than all this rubbish you are doing. I was scrolling through social media this morning, you know, and I saw a lot of them saying that what happened in Enugu was arranged. It was arranged by Zion Ministry, and this one, that one, that is how they did the padlock man. I can't remember the name. Like, I was like, is these people okay? Are you guys okay? You know, a lot of things happened. A lot of points were raised. It's left for you guys to use those points to at least make it make sense when you are doing your own analysis. You make it make sense to someone like me or people like us out there. Is Zion Ministry and the Evangelist Ebuka doing RNG to get more members? Or are they doing RNG to get more money? Sometimes when I think about this whole RNG stuff, some of you guys are saying out there, I'm kind of confused. Because the ministry you are accusing of whatever RNG is bigger than you in every aspect of it. I saw one saying, he can't fight our daddy and win. In terms of, he's bigger. He's never. I'm a ministry. Sometimes these people think that Zion is just bacha. All this, you know, I'm not trying to put any domination or church or ministry or whatever down. But I don't see the way this, like, I don't understand the way these people are seeing Zion, especially in this whole issue. Is Zion Ministry doing RNG with Enugu State Governor, which is your governor? Are they doing RNG with the Commissioner of Sports that said an order came from above or from nowhere that the stadium must not be open? Or are they doing RNG on the fact that some group of people, call them whatever, came to where Evangelist Ebuka Lloyd to try to detain him, to, you know, make some move? If not that, he meow before they could come. Is Zion Ministry doing RNG, printing false banner, telling people not to come again, don't come again, after spending weeks trying to put things in order in that particular stadium, months preparing for this particular crusade? What's the RNG for? Because I don't get all these things. People are now for this space to seal down. What's the need of this RNG you guys are talking about? They're trying to use it to do that. Is it that you guys are daft not to even see the handwriting? Or is it that you guys have vowed that sentiment will buy all of you? You can't even make a simple analysis, give a simple submission on what is out there. Even Okuruona was present there, saying a lot of. I saw some video from his own page that he even have to make his own call, try to, you know. So Zion Ministry is doing RNG with Okuruona and all these people. Are you guys daft? You think blogging, all this content is what you can just come out from nowhere with empty brain and join others and start saying rubbish? If you guys don't know what to do, you fucker are here. Stop creating confusion. Stop talking rubbish. They're saying RNG. They are for what exactly? For what? What are they arranging for? I don't want to say some certain things on this video. You know, recently I'm trying to curtail some of the things I put out there. You know, because for me, I want peace. I want peace. Because all these things don't make any sense to me. And sometimes I feel ashamed. I used to feel ashamed of all this, whatever. Asikwa, Enugu adoration, like, come on. And the only way this whole nonsense will stop is when we start telling ourselves the truth. So start pointing out those wrong ones. Okay, all these things that happen, all those things that they did, who are they doing it in favor of? I asked this question last time. Since everybody said that they don't know anything about it, the church don't know anything about it. Yeah, how I arrange it. Nothing concerned in the adoration or what happened. Are they trying to protect members for me? Because I'm a minister in Enugu. Oh, man, the order. Am I the one that gave the order? Or should I say, yes, I'm the one that gave the order. I'm the one that sponsored the flyers so that Kagarena remember. Most of you, like Gary, man, too much of man so kana big Pepsi, be his brain, most of you. I saw one saying you have to get to that the commissioner of sports number so that he will say what happened. You know, he investigated last time on this. I was like, come on, bro, what are you saying? Me, I would like to be part of that investigation. I would like to be part of those team of yours that want to investigate that issue. What is stopping Enugu state government from making a statement regarding all these things that happened to Evangelist Ebuka and Zion ministry in Enugu last weekend? What is stopping them from making a statement? If there is no one somewhere trying to still drive those things, what is stopping both the commissioner of sports, Governor Peter Mba, people that are involved in all these things, from making a public disclaimer or coming out to say their own side of the story, or coming out to say, okay, this is the person that gave us order. He said we should not open stadium for you guys, that you guys won't get Berima. Today is Monday. This Monday morning, I'm expecting when I log in on Facebook, I will see a statement from maybe Enugu state government or group of people that, you know, because Evangelist Ebuka was bold enough to say this thing. He has been saying it since 3 days now. He has the full confidence to accuse that this is what they did to me. This is what I had. This is what they do. This is the effort we put. I called Governor Soludo. I called Governor Hope, who's of them. Okay, Evangelist Ebuka is arranging with all those people for the crusade. You Enugu adoration bloggers are daft. You all should get out of here. If you don't know how to blog, you fuck out. Stop creating confusion and leading all those ones not China village near my hand. I used to see some of their comments on my post. This one, God of this one will destroy you. You will buy, you will do this one, you will do this one. I just love them. That go on. I go like, just give them small giveaway. They'll go and eat and sit one side. You guys should stop confusing them. It's high time you start saying the truth. That is, if you want to help in all this nonsense that is going on, of which we know the main architect of all this problem. We know him. All of us know him. If you want to tell yourself the truth, we know how he started. You guys can do better and stop confusing a lot of people on social media. Rubbish.